Bitcoin is dumping, bratans, and Robert Kiyosaki is writing, get your money. He's writing, bank credit just sold off like 2008. Get some cash out of the banks as you need cash. This may be the start of the biggest crash in history. Hope I am wrong, yet no time to play Russian roulette with your life. I'm right now in a short position on a Bitcoin short position, which is $470 in a profit right now. However, I have to tell you, and I have to be honest, we have perfectly touched this red line. As you see, this red support line, goes back until 2020. You see it gets back on 2020. It's a huge support and resistance line, so it's a major support line, and as long as we are not breaking this line down, we are still will go up to at least the price target of around 46,500 at least, or even higher. I'll show you a little bit later. But what is important right now, you see, yes, the bears won a bit, but the bulls quickly bought it up. So right now there's a fight between bears and bulls. So in case we are breaking the red line down, then it's game over, and we are going as low as at least the monthly 20 support, which would be at around 30,600. And let's not forget one thing. What is very important, that we have still, and this a lot of people forget, we have still a CME gap open, which is around 39,040K. So the question is, will this CME gap open, and then we will see a pullback to 46,500 or even 48K, or will we drop down to 30K? This is right now the major question, and we can, and there's still the opportunity that we could go even as high as 56,000. And the thing is, as long as I told you, we're not breaking the red line, I think the possibility that we are going to 55K is very likely, because this would be right now, a lot of people start to shorting Bitcoin. And this would be the major possibility for the whales to scam everyone down who's shorting, because it would be cascade liquidation to the upside for all the short positions, right? So be careful right now with the short. For this reason, I think I will either close my position right now, or I will either I'll close it, or I will take profit area at zero. I do my take profit area at zero. So my RV position is still on. It's still a profit, $600 in profit. My BNB position is obviously here right now, 9,000, around 10,000 in a loss right now. So possibly, I think I will close my Bitcoin short position right now, because it's too dangerous. It looks like it's how it's called. It's a trap. It's a huge trap. And I'm prepared as soon as we are breaking this line to the upside. As soon as we are breaking here this major 44,000 line to the upside, as soon as we break it to the upside, I'm prepared to long not only Bitcoin, but also to long all the coins which are following usually immediately Bitcoin. After Bitcoin is pumping, usually what we see usually following FTM is right after following Bitcoin. And let me open again. Suka black. Where is it? FTM. Here we have FTM, and the price target of FTM, we hit the price target already, but we see it cool down. And in case we are breaking, in case Bitcoin is further pumping to the upside, I'm expecting that FTM could go as high as 52 cents. So this will be from here on. This will be a long opportunity to 52 cents of around 40%. So I'm prepared to go long in case Bitcoin breaking this major support at 44K, which I showed you before, right? So this is a major thing. And a lot of people also don't watching the S&P 500, because the S&P 500 is the leading indicator, and the S&P 500 right now is very important. We didn't retest it yet, this resistance line. You see, this resistance line was previously support line, support. We never retested it. So as long as we not retested this support line, I stay still positive on a further relief rally to the upside. However, we are more near to the top of the relief rally than to the bottom of the relief rally. So there will be a cool down. There will be inevitably a cool down, and the cool down will go as oh, Zuckerblad, I had logarithmic on. Wait a minute, I have to check again. Okay, it's quite same. So we have to break 44,300 in order to breaking further to 46,500. Yeah, but what's very important on the big picture, we will have a cool down, and usually Bitcoin is famous to cool down in January because all the people have to do their taxes and all this shit. So they take out the money of crypto to pay the taxes. But what is right now important, and I show you here the big picture. On the big picture, I still expect that we will have, here is the Bitcoin halving in April, right? And usually we have either before or after, historically, a week down to downside with the Black Swan event. And the question is it right now happening with the sold off of the credits, what Robert Kiyosaki is writing, or will it happen later? I think, in case you don't get any more news, I think it could happen later this year in January, which would indicate that we would go down as low as 21k, and this would be a massive opportunity for our altcoins, because the altcoins would crush as high as low as 50% at least. So I hope we will crash to 21k. And there's still also a lot of people missing out on this. There's still a huge, a massive, a big, like a big you know what I mean, open at 21k. You see a huge CME gap is still here open. You see it here, the CME gap is now at 21k open. So this is in a perfect alignment with it. So I will close my short position right now because this is too dangerous right now. I will open again this short position in case we are breaking down the red line at 40,000, or even here the daily spot line at 39k. Then I will yes, I will, you know what I mean. So I will close this position right now. You see it here, $200 still profits, amazing. Even with it's even $300, so it's okay. I took my profits. Yes. So that's thank you everyone for watching, and if you want, you can claim on Bybit, this way I'm trading, $1,000 margin bonus for going long or short. You put $100 in, you get $1,000 margin bonus. Link is down below. Thank you everyone for watching. Kiss you, see you later.